A new study shows that people who receive the Pfizer vaccine can actually benefit from a booster of the Johnson & Johnson shot, which seems to affect a different part of the immune system.
It seems like every day we hear something new about protecting ourselves from COVID. So how do we make sense of all of this?
CBS 17's Maggie Newland is getting some answers for us tonight. Tough job, but you can break it all down for us.
Rod and Angela, doctors tell me with talk of the new variant and cases rising here in North Carolina, they are seeing more people who are interested in getting a COVID shot or a booster, and pharmacies like this one have definitely been busy. But if you're still trying to figure out which shot to get, well, the advice is very similar to what we saw when these vaccines first came out. Get whichever one you can get first.
Just about every day, we hear something new about COVID, vaccines, or boosters.
Science is happening at a breakneck speed.
UNC infectious disease expert Dr. David Wohl says that's to be expected in an evolving situation like a pandemic.
Studies are going to come out all the time.
Like a recent study that shows the Johnson & Johnson vaccine can work well as a booster following the Pfizer shots by stimulating a different part of the immune system.
We have two arms of our immune system. The arm that makes antibodies that attack things, and then our cells that can gobble up germs and also other infected cells.
Researchers tested both Pfizer and J&J boosters.
One made a little bit better antibody response, one made a little bit better T-cell response. It shows you get a response to either one. I urge people not to really fret over which booster to get.
Dr. Wohl says it's important not to become overwhelmed with the results of every new study.
I do think that information overload can be a problem.
He says the most important thing is to get your shot or your booster as soon as you can.
But don't worry too much if you go to the pharmacy and they don't have your favorite vaccine there. Get boosted that day anyhow.
Because right now he's seeing more COVID patients in the hospital.
We know boosting is protecting us. We are not seeing people come into the hospital who are boosted.
And Dr. Wohl does think we are at the beginning of a winter surge, and if you want to be protected with your booster shot by Christmas, you want to go ahead and get that this week. Live in Raleigh, Maggie Newland, CBS 17 News.